Alright, so we out here today. We're gonna fly a drone, or should I say FPV drone, for the first ever time possible. It's all courtesy.
Not for the first ever time I flew before.
No, I'm saying for me, okay? For me, I'm flying for the first ever time. He's flying
For the second time.
second time. So yeah, he has more flight time than me. So why don't you start it first? Do you know what kind of drone you're flying?
No, I bought everything based on recommendations. It's a Crux 35.
Okay.
Uses a 4S battery.
Yeah.
Should last around 10 minutes based on our flight time.
Uh-huh.
And this is a TX12. It's like the beginner radio. And then a slightly better box goggle.
Uh-huh. Okay, so I had no idea what all that meant, but why don't we just send it, right? Send it off into the sky, let's go! Alright, you know what? Since this drone is going to be kind of high up in the sky, it's kind of tiny. I think I'm going to switch to the 55 to 250 so then we can actually get a feel of what it looks like in the air. But we also have onboard footage as we just put in the SD card into the goggles. So there's that too. Let's just throw out the drone and let's go! And we're off. Alright, let's switch over to 250 so then we can actually see the stuff.
There's a lot of wind.
I can feel it. Cause, yeah. Holy fuck, you're going so high. You're going to the concrete, man. I don't think you should go to the concrete.
Yeah, we have to fly in front of the antenna, but pointing that way. And also we're in angle mode.
Yeah, oh, and we just crash landed right into the field. Can I pick it up?
We were in angle mode. I was trying to do a flip, and then we wouldn't go backwards. So I got panic. I was just shot.
I know, I saw it. It was there. Oh my god, he did it! It's so hard to record with a 250 too, because it's like you're going so fast, and the 250. Ooh! Oh shit, that was it! Oh, whoa! It looks like it was gonna plummet, dude. This guy's in the meta universe right now.
This is so fun.
Like full on meta universe. He's got like all the goggles, the whole stick things and shit. Like what the hell, man? All right, this might be a little risky. Fly through the goalpost. You don't trust yourself yet?
I don't have that.
Alright, we're bringing in for landing. Oh, no. Wait, let me go check. Ooh, we're gonna go check if there's a net so then he can fly through the post. Oh no, it's all wet. No net. Yes. Where did the drone go? It's so hard to track this thing because it's so small and everything. Oh, right here. Alright, so we're gonna... Oh shit, he actually made it! And now he's just going in spy mode. Like, you know when it just like freshly rained and then all of a sudden you walk through grass and it's just wet puddles and shit, and now the water's going into my shoes. Oh crap. No.
Just don't go 100 feet in the air and then fucking.
No, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it low. Okay. Here, look. As soon as I go 100 feet in the air, I'm just gonna lightly put it down.
Don't even go 100 feet in the air, bro.
So we have an SD card, and he's gonna hook it up to the onboard thing and try to figure out how to record first, and then I'll have a shot. Because if in the case that I wrecked the drone,
we had to go looking for.
Yeah, and the SD card's wait, the SD card's not on board. It's on in your goggles, so we're gonna have footage of that. So perfect. But yeah, it's gonna be my first time flying, so I don't think I'm gonna go 100 feet in the air like you said.
Are you sure about
in
that?
the simulator, I went 100 feet in the air, but that was because the simulator is so different, dude. Wait, do I have to fly with the goggles on?
It's actually preferred that you don't.
Have you tried flying with a regular drone?
I have. It's way harder.
Is it?
It's way harder, yeah.
Okay, no pressure, no pressure. We got this, we got this. Alright, we're gonna give it a shot. Here's a on look. And let's see. Oh. Alright.
Put them on. Don't put them in the sun.
Ow. I can't fly with glasses, can I?
You can. They fit. They should fit.
Oh my god.
Okay, why don't you just see what it looks like, okay? When
Oh my god. Holy shit.
you see it?
Yeah.
You think you're comfortable with that?
Yeah.
Don't get this.
Wait, why do you see the propellers?
Props in view. That's just how it's done. So that's armed. Don't go all the way down.
Wait,
that's
I thought
nothing.
armed was backwards.
No, I inverted it. So this is arm. The middle is armed.
Okay.
Up is disarmed.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, am I dying?
You're bouncing. You're going really high. You're going to the cement.
Oh fuck.
Disarm, disarm, disarm.
I'm still up?
Disarm.
I just heard something.
Not good.
What was that?
That was the fucking bot.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Is it on top?
Where's the goggles?
On the grass?
Oh, it's over there. Okay. Everything's intact except for a few props. This is his first time.
Oh shit, the propeller's bent.
Yeah. But at least they're still here, you know?
That's
It'd be a worse problem if they weren't here.
Why?
Because that would mean I had to find these screws.
And you don't have replacement screws?
No.
Oh. That is legit so hard. It's really different than the fucking simulator.
Yeah. Because your goggles move with you.
Yeah, half the time.
So you couldn't tell like what was happening.
Like I didn't know where I was. I was just like, okay, wait, I'm supposed to go forwards, and then I didn't go forwards.
Yeah,
And
I think you should follow like the expert's opinion. You just fly line of sight.
yeah,
Then
because
you build like some semblance of like
where the drone is.
yes.
Because I lost the drone, and then you were like disarm, so I disarmed, and then I heard a pop. It was wait, did it hit like the top of the bus? Oh my god. Yeah.
I think you bounced off the pavement, and that was what did this.
No, I bounced off the bus and then I went onto the pavement because we disarmed it.
Oh. Okay.
But holy fuck, that's actually quite hard. Props to you to actually be able to fly this.
Hey man, I still can't fly it.
I mean, like you went through goalposts and you were able to do flips and shit. Like wow.
Yeah, but I've been wanting to replace these because they're so like scratched up with grass and shit.
Yeah, from one day of flying, and
Yeah.
then there's me just not even 2 minutes of flying.
2 minutes, you just fucking slam into the ground.
So this is the aftermath of first flight. It's
You know, it's not that bad. You know, I would have done the same in a simulator.
like we got this propeller right here, which is not supposed to be up in the air. It's like all fully bent out and twisted out of shape. I'm not sure, but like the other ones are.
No, they're still broken.
The other ones seem to be okay.
They're depressed.
So there's flight numero uno. Now we're just gonna change out the blades just to be safe. And
Yeah, imagine if you have a DJI and you crash like that.
I just want a moment of silence, please.
It's like
A moment of
whack ton of service repairs that you can't do yourself.
let's just have a advanced moment of notice. Yeah, let's do an advanced moment of notice, as I do intend to get a DJI. As these kind of drones, they don't fucking have sensors, man.
You don't need them if you're good enough.
Yeah, I'm not good enough yet.
Well, you gotta learn. It's so much more fun.
They're so much faster.
Yeah, that's the fun. Oh my god, you even did more, bro.
What?
You like split the frame.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's the edges though. It doesn't matter. Wow,
We got duct tape to fix
You
that.
split carbon fiber with your crash, bro. How do you feel?
I feel like the most accomplished person on the planet Earth. How high was I?
You were really hard. You were 50 feet maybe.
50 feet?
Yeah. You were maybe double that lamppost.
Oh shit. But I mean, like when I disarmed it, I wasn't that high, right?
You're still pretty high.
So why did you say disarm? Disarm means
I was more worried about the motors. Like the frame and shit you can replace, but the motors are gonna take so long to replace. You need a solder.
yeah, this is why I'm just gonna get a DJI drone. They have they have stability sensors and like proximity sensors. They also have sensors that if you flip like what I just did, you won't just go down like straight down. They'll actually flip the drone back up and stabilize for you.
You're not gonna have any fun.
All right, let's try flying line of sight. Hopefully this goes better. So just power it on.
Yeah.
Alarms warning.
Skip them. Just keep pressing. Yep. Arm it.
Oh.
One more time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my god, bro, stop flying so high. Disarm. Why do you keep flying so high, bro?
It's hard to control it. This is a lot harder to see.
I think you need way more similar time.
Oh, of course. This is a lot harder than seeing, bro.
Disarm.
That was better.
That was better. You go straight. No, but you get the DJI FPV, you might crash.
No, I'm not getting that. That thing is like $1,500, dude.
Yeah, but this whole kit was like $1,000.
What?
Yeah, because I had to get like everything. Like if I buy a new drone right now, it would just be like $200.
Okay.
You're a little bit too far for like.
Ooh, am I gonna crash?
Yeah. Disarm.
I
You go get that.
I got this flying straight. I was trying to bank now. If you fly too straight, you can't see anymore. I know, but then I don't know how to come back. That's the problem.
You gotta turn it.
All right, so that concludes my FPV drone flying experience. Never again.
Not never again.
I need more time in the sim to fully learn the controls.
Yeah.
Because at this point, I can go straight, but as soon as I lose any like sense of where the drone is, or I go upside down, or it looks like it's gonna crash into anything, I just panic. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. As soon as I lose control or whatever, I just panic and I go stick up, which is full throttle, and it just flies like out into nowhere.